Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So how do you make a video with Voiceover and Canva? Now it's going to be really simple and short, so bear with me. So first and foremost, sign into Canva, log into your Canva account or sign up if you haven't already. And next is start new project. Click on create design and select video as your project type and choose template. Next one is to choose the template. Browse through Canva's video templates to start with blank Canva. Okay, so once you're done with that, go ahead and add media. So upload your images, video clips, or choose from Canva's media library. And once you're done with that, you're going to be adding text and graphics as well. So customize your video by adding text and shapes, icons, and basically graphics. So once you're done with that, add voiceover. So click on record button in the timeline where you want the voiceover to start. Canva will prompt you to allow microphone access. So start recording your voiceover using your microphone, basically. So basically, I'm using Audacity. So edit your voiceover, it's totally up to you. Trim and adjust the voiceover using timeline controls. You can also just adjust volume in the voiceover and other audio elements basically to this. And once you're done with that, preview and export. So preview your video, make sure that everything looks and sounds good. And once satisfied, click on export button and you're good to go. That's how quick and simple and easy it is. So a lot of people have this misconception that Canva is a hard navigating tool to traverse to, but that's certainly not the case. I certainly hope that this video is of any help. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.